Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to be showing you a mind-blowing indicator that would enable you to trade and make a lot of money long term. Now, to use this indicator, I am going to be using the Luno exchange to access this indicator. You would have to click on the exchange right here. When you click on this, you'll be directed to your Luno exchange, which is this is your Luno exchange, and this right here is your price chart, your Luno price chart. Since this indicator is for the long term, we'd have to change the time frame of this price chart to 1 week. Now this is the weekly of the price chart of the Bitcoin price chart, and as you can see, every single candle here is represented by 1 week. To access the indicators, we would have to go to the indicators tab right here. Then we would have to search for moving average. This is the indicator right here that we're going to be using for this video. You click on it. Now the moving average is this blue line. As you can see, you double click on this blue line. We are going to change the setting of this moving average so that it could fit accurately to our trading strategy. We are going to change it to 20. Now we are going to style it so it could be bigger for you to see in this video. I'm going to change the color to white, and I'm going to make it the lines a little bit bigger. Now as you can see, this is the moving average, this big white line. Let me make it full screen. Now as you can see, let's go into the price history so you can understand how to use this moving average. Every single time the price touches this moving average, the price tends to bounce off of this moving average. As you can see, it touches this white line, it bounces off and touches the white line again and bounces off. Now when this moving average is below the price, as you can see, the moving average is below the price. That means the trend is said to be in an upward direction. So if you buy every single time it touches the moving average and sell when it's far above the moving average, you would be making a lot of money. As you can see, this is another example. It touches the moving average right here, bounces off from this exact line, and as you can see, every single time it bounces off. If you go back in time, it bounces off from this moving average. The price always bounces off from this moving average. If you buy every single time it touches from this moving average, you would be making a lot of money. You need to also know that when the moving average is above the price, that means the Bitcoin price trend is said to be downwards. That means the price would be going downward. As you can see, the Bitcoin price went below this moving average. That means it broke the moving average. It tends to act as resistance. It touches the moving average, it falls. It touches the moving average again, it falls. So if you are to trade this, understand, you would have to buy at the lowest point and sell when it touches the moving average. Buy at the lowest point, sell when it touches at the moving average. So this is how you would play this when the Bitcoin price is in a downtrend. Understand? Now this is a good long-term trading indicator on the Bitcoin price. This is another example. The Bitcoin price broke above the moving average, and as you can see, it's said to be an uptrend. If you had bought when it broke above this moving average and sold at this stop point, you would have made profits long term. These are examples, and let's go to the current price action of the Bitcoin price chart. As you can see, this is the 28th of September 2020 weekly candle right here. Now this is the recent price action. As you can see, the Bitcoin price back here in 20th of April, the Bitcoin price broke this moving average, and as you can see, since then the price has been in the upward direction, steadily going upward. As you can see, when it broke this moving average, the price went upward. If you had bought at this point here when the price broke this moving average and sold at this stop point, you would have made a lot of money. So right now in the recent price action, the Bitcoin price on the 31st of August came down and bounced off of this ribbon. What we are to expect right now in the short term is for the price to steadily go upward. So we are expecting the price to steadily go upward right here from this point, expecting the price to go in an upward direction. Understand? This is how I use this moving average